Today is Tuesday, and I'm making my friend Juby from Hong Kong and Jen today. So, samahan niyo ako. Explore. I'm going to let Joby see some parts of Pattaya. So we are here now in Terminal 21 because it's Joby's first time here. So friend. But not really lost. It's I think further for like a minute or so. But Jen said we didn't see Jen because I think she's going right over there. But Jen said it's closed Tuesday, so we're going back to Central. That's epic fail. Ay, lobat na ako. We have arrived Masri Ruin. I don't know if I pronounce it right. And Madam Jen is not here yet, so we are going to order our food while we're waiting for her. Jen, good much. Nice stress ka? Nice squeeze ako. Mahal ang taling pinyan. Maniningay yan mamaya.
So how we encourage you to come visit Pattaya?
Hindi pa rin.
Did you inspire with Madam or anything with her video, the picture? Wow!
Right now, I have Joby's milkshake ice cream. I think we're the same. They're the same.
So you will see, mag-comment ka nga Madam.
Later.
Yan, para makita ko na kung hindi pa kita pinasubscribe, i-check mo nga kung nakasubscribe.
And
Coconut.
Uy!
Welcome to the land of paradise. Delicious. Wow.
So we finished.
Thank you for the experience.
You're welcome. Come back here again.
Welcome back ulit.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Come back
With your,
anytime. With your loved
Come
one.
up here, Charlie.
Finish now.
We're not taking your drink. Kasi di ba, hindi ka na
And we're going to walk in the seaside. So, yeah, let's go,
Hindi
girl.
tayo mamaya.
Oh, ang amoy ang ano mo.
Thank you.
Welcome, sis. Sige, ikaw. Sige, kayong background ko. That's, para siyang fortune cookie. Hello, thank you. Ha?
Natuluyan sila.
How do you feel about Pattaya tayo? Pattaya Beach. Not Hong Kong Beach.
So small.
It's so proud. Yeah, it's like very proud.
Darker than my future.
Darker your future. So Juby said she liked Pattaya Beach and she liked the sun, but she doesn't like the water because the water looks darker than her future. Tara na.
Punta tayo sa mall.
We're going inside of the Central again with the girls. With the ladies, I mean. Not the girls.
With the girl.
And with the girl. With the big girl.
Layo kasi yan mo, kaya
Next month.
magkape kaya tayo.
May kape dyan? Bar yun eh. Wala namang kape dyan.
Lunch, oh. Today we have live music.
Oh.
Last
7. Every day?
No.
Once.
Every Tuesday.
Every Tuesday. Welcome back. Thank you.
Okay. Maraming pag-free every
Oh, every.
day.
Thank you.
Hirap na lang tayo ng kape.
Nagkakape ka ba?
Madam Juby, kami ano, pero hindi siya makakape yung kayo kasi madali.
We are here in Boots and I'm going to look for my lotion. Ay. Saan? Ay, ito. enjoying her thing. Yes. Oo, ito masarap to. Hindi ko pa ito na-try.
Ito, madam.
Hindi ko pa ito na-try, pero parang masarap siya.
Ito yung banana na sinasabi
Oo.
niyo. Ito naman yung Japanese na ano, Japanese
Same ba to?
cheese.
Oo, same lang. Ay, bakit parang may chocolate? Ay,
Parang pareho.
same lang.
Hindi,
Iba lang yung design.
red yung ano, anong sabi ba?
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Pareho tayo.
Ito, raisin. Chocolate na lang. Ano yung sa'yo? Ikaw, madam. Mahal pala yung ano. So, we bought banana for... So, bayad-bayad na. May egg tart din sila, pero mas masarap yung egg tart ng Hong Kong.
Hindi naman natakluban.
Oo nga. Ayaw yan ni ano, ni Kuya pag hindi tinakluban.
Ito
Say, madam.
si madam.
We're not. Bye-bye.
Trusting my document.
Nice to meet you.
Ay, ingat. Bukas i-chat ka. Dala ka ng cellphone, ha? Kahit anong oras. Basta i-chat ko sa'yo yung address. Ingat, bye-bye. God bless you, cheese. Jen is flirting me with our favorite ice cream and tea. Ay, ang bilis.
This is,
Thank you, madam.
Super
Is this
boba.
our? Oh, bakit walang takip? Ay,
kasi may kutsara ka na.
okay. Thank you, madam. 75.
75 ba?
Bad. 75 pa. Kain tayo, guys. This is JC's favorite as well. That's the reason why I like this, because JC introduced this to me. So I also like this.
Oh my god, very brown sugar. Hindi naman. Very, very tasty the sugar of brown. You know the smell? What happened?
May tissue ka?
Okay naman yung pistong nahanap natin. Relax ka. Hi.
So we are now going.